Welcome to Sun Outdoors Gig Harbor. I'm Melissa McGregor, the social media manager with Sun. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Let me show you around. Gig Harbor is a beautiful destination for you to park your RV. Just look at the pine trees that you'll be able to park your rig underneath. Our peaceful surroundings here at Gig Harbor are the perfect spot to come back to after your adventures in the outdoors. We have a variety of travelers visiting us here at Sun Outdoors Gig Harbor, from families to pets to even the snowbirds and traveling nurses. We have great amenities here at Gig Harbor. We have a clubhouse where you can gather with friends and your new neighbors. Inside the clubhouse is also laundry facilities and a small fitness area. Just beyond the clubhouse, you'll find our dog park and also our dog wash station where you can wash your dog after a day's full of activities here in Gig Harbor. Looking for something to do outside of the resort? There are so many things to do here in Gig Harbor. There's the marina, there's kayaking, there's hiking and biking trails, and there's great restaurants in the downtown area. And we also have Mount Rainier right back there. Our goal is to make sure you have an exceptional stay. Meet Dane, our ranger.
If there's anything I can do to make your stay better, come find me at the Welcome Center.
Download the Sun Outdoors app from your favorite app store, where you'll be able to book your next stay with us. Thank you for booking your stay with us here at Sun Outdoors Gig Harbor, where you can find your sunnier side. See you soon.